NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. NFTs are generally built using the same kind of programming as cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but that's where the similarity ends. You can now buy NFTs on Binance NFT marketplace using a fixed price, by making an offer to the seller, or bidding in an NFT auction. To purchase an NFT, you're first of all going to need a Binance account. It's simple to do in less than 5 minutes. Step 1. Top up your wallet with crypto. Before we get started, you'll need to create a Binance account and top up your spot wallet with BNB, BUSD or ETH. These are the 3 accepted cryptocurrencies on the Binance NFT marketplace. Sign up for a Binance account. Buy crypto. You can do so in various ways, including buying with a credit or debit card, buying it on Binance P2P, or buying it via third-party channels. Deposit crypto to your Binance account. This only applies to crypto holders that have crypto on another platform, or are planning to buy crypto via third-party channels. Step 2. Access Binance NFT marketplace on the app or browser. Once you have BNB, BUSD or ETH in your Binance account, you're all ready to explore the Binance NFT marketplace. Step 3. Finding the right NFT. If you're an avid gamer, you can visit our gaming gallery by clicking Gaming at the top of Binance NFT homepage. You'll find all our NFT gaming collections and upcoming drops. Use the filter functions on the secondary market or the mystery box market. You can search for NFTs according to different categories/collections, sale types, NFT types, and more. Step 4. Buying the NFT you've chosen. There are 3 different ways you can buy an NFT, and it will depend on how the creator/seller has set the sale format. The 3 sale formats are auction, fixed price, and mystery box. How to bid for an NFT via auction. On the NFT listing page, click the Place a Bid button. Enter your bid amount and click Place a Bid. Once you've successfully placed your bid, you'll see a confirmation splash screen. The highest bidder when the auction closes will successfully purchase the NFT. How to buy a fixed price NFT. On the NFT listing page, click the View Buy Now button to pay the total price. You will then see a pop-up which shows the confirmed amount to pay for. Click Confirm to complete your purchase. How to buy an NFT mystery box. Mystery boxes contain a surprise NFT that is revealed once you open the box. There are 4 types of NFTs you might find: Super, Super Rare, SSR, Super Rare, SR, Rare, R, and Normal, N. On the mystery box listing page, you'll see a fixed price for the box. Click Buy to purchase. An Order Detail pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your purchase's details. Click Confirm to complete your purchase. Once your purchase is successful, click Collections on the confirmation pop-up window to view your unopened mystery box. You can choose to open your mystery box right after or keep it as it is in your collection.